Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DAOhaus, manage DAO membership and proposals step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the DAOhaus website. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the next page. You will be presented with several login options. Choose the option that suits you best, such as using a wallet or logging in with a supported account. If you choose to log in with a wallet, click on the wallet icon. Connect your preferred wallet by following the on-screen prompts. Once connected, your wallet address will appear on the screen. If you are logging in with a supported account, enter your credentials as required. After entering your details, click the Sign In button to complete the login process. You will now be redirected to your DAOhaus dashboard. From the dashboard, you can view your active DAO memberships. To manage your membership, select the specific DAO you wish to access. Once in the DAO, navigate to the Proposals section. Here, you can create or vote on proposals as necessary. To create a new proposal, look for the Create Proposal button. Fill in the required fields for your proposal, including title, description, and any relevant details. Review your proposal to ensure all information is accurate. Once satisfied, click on the Submit button to submit your proposal. You will receive a confirmation message upon successful submission. To track the status of your proposal, return to the Proposals section. You can also engage with other DAO members through comments and discussions. If needed, use the dashboard to log out safely once you have finished managing your DAO activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.